Mac and cheese. One tablespoon. Oil, 2 tablespoons. Chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes, 1/2 tablespoon. Salt add to taste. Chicken powder, 1 tablespoon. Boiled pasta. Milk, 1 cup. Shredded cheese, 1 cup.
Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.
Cook it well until cheese melts.
Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
Cheddar cheese. Cook until cheese melts. Serve and enjoy hot. Mix herbs. Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest information. Enjoy in winters. Yummy!